Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the third video in this small video series. In this video, we will make a side view of this object. So in the first video of this series, we have identified the relative position of front view and side view, isn't it? So if this is my front view, we are observing from this side, right? So for a side view, I have to compulsorily view from this side. So this is nothing but a right side of the observer, isn't it? So that would become my right hand side view, and in a first angle projection system, my right hand side view would be drawn at the left side of the front view. So I have drawn my front view over here, my top view over here. Now my right hand side view should be drawn over here, right? So let's start drawing it. So first step, let's first make a light rectangle of maximum dimension having B, having height is equals to 56 and breadth is equals to 64, right? So let's make this light rectangle first. So for a height, or we can take a reference from the front view. So let's say this is my reference. I have drawn two light line. Let's draw one vertical line. And breadth of the object is 64. So at a distance of 64, we have to mark another point. Let's say this is my 64. Take a reference of this edge and draw a vertical line, right? So I can fix my side view in this rectangle. Initially you have to draw that rectangle very light. Now let's start drawing the side view. So for a side view, we have to view from this side. So let's identify the surfaces which are visible in side view. So while viewing from this side, so this is the one surface we can see. This one surface we can see. Similar way, this one surface we can see. This curved surface also we can see. This surface also we can see. So these are the surfaces that we can see. This curved surface is behind this object, so we cannot see this curved surface. So we have to draw that curved surface using hidden line, right? So let's start drawing from one of the corner. So let's start from this point. So from here to here, it would be 24, and from here to here it would be 32. So again, this whole vertical edge will be represented using straight line. So let's make a straight line. So this is my that vertical straight line. Similar way, we have reached up to this. So from this point, we have to move horizontally 6 millimeter. Sorry, we have to move horizontally 12 millimeter from here to here. Then again, this curved edge is just represented as a straight line. So this would also be straight line, right? And this is 12 millimeter. So this would be a horizontal continuous straight line having the dimension equal to 64, right? So we have to draw horizontal continuous straight line. Take a reference of this edge. So we have reached up to this point. From this point onward, we have to move vertically downward. Again, this measurement will not be visible in side view, and this would be again vertically straight. So again, we have to draw a vertical straight line from this point to this point throughout the height. So let's make that vertical straight line. Again, take a reference of this. So we have drawn up to this. Again, this would be the straight horizontal visible line or visible edge. So let's draw that. Right. So we have drawn the boundary of our side view, right hand side view. Let's draw the features which are visible in side view. So this edge is at a height of 24. This is the same height as a 24. So from bottom edge, from this edge, we have to take measurement equal to 24 and draw this straight line. So just take measurement equal to 24. So we have drawn this edge, right? So now we have to draw this vertical downward edge, these two edges which are at a distance of 12 millimeter from left hand edge and right hand edge, extreme edge. So from this edge and this edge at a 12 millimeter, we have to draw an visible edge. Take a reference of this edge and draw a vertical line over here. In between this here, the distance would be 40 millimeter, right? So this indicates a circular entity, but from front it will visible as a rectangle. So we have to draw its a center line, isn't it? So let's draw the center line. Let's mark the center point and draw its center line. So this is that center line. Now we have to draw this edge, these two vertical edges, right? And this inclined edge. This inclined edge will be projected on this vertical edge. So that edge is at a distance of 20 millimeter from this edge. So from this edge at a 20 millimeter on both the side, we have to draw that edge. Visible part we have drawn it, right? Now we have to draw this curved edge which will be visible in a side view. The center of that curved edge would be the corner point of this object. So this would be the corner point which will projected on this which is projected in on this point. So let's take a 44 millimeter as a radius. Even we can take the radius from this, let's say this much as a radius, and this point as a center. Draw an arc using hidden line. So this would be my hidden line, and we have to show its a center line over here. Again, breadth of the object. Let's do the dimensioning now. Let's represent this radius. So I think we have completed all the part. This measurement is already represented over here. Your drawing should be completed and all the dimensions should be covered, but make sure that you won't represent any dimension more than one time, right? So I hope you understand the concept how I have drawn this right hand side view. So if you want to watch such a video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel for such a more content, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.